is about modifying the column. The given information is that a company intends to give its employee a pay rise. Here we need to write a solution to modify the salary column by multiplying each salary by 2. Here we need to simply just double the salary. So the approach will be to multiply salary column with 2 and pass the same data into the similar column. So let's try to execute the code. So here we will pass the data by multiplying our salary column by 2, and here we will simply just return our data frame. So now let's try to execute our code. Let's check if our code successfully passes all the test cases. Here you can see that our code has successfully passed all the test cases. If you like my approach, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.